The complete truth about vitamin C, what you need to know. For decades, we've been sold a story that's only partly true, and it's costing people their health and their money. The government decided a long time ago that we should rate vitamin C products based only on how much ascorbic acid they contain. Ascorbic acid is an antioxidant and a preservative. It's one part of the vitamin C complex. But calling ascorbic acid vitamin C is like looking at a steering wheel and calling it a car. It's just one piece of something much bigger, much more complex. Think about what happens in nature. When you eat foods rich in vitamin C, you're not just getting ascorbic acid. You're getting an entire team of nutrients that work together. The real vitamin C complex contains bioflavonoids, also called P factors. These keep your blood vessels nice and strong and flexible. If you bruise easily or notice pink on your toothbrush, your vessels are breaking too easily because they're missing these P factors. The complex also has vitamin K, which helps your blood clot properly and helps form proteins that get transported to injured tissue for healing. Then there's the J factor, which increases your blood's ability to carry oxygen. When you have a cold, you need oxygen getting to your tissues to oxidize the toxins and carry them away. That's how your body actually heals. The C complex also contains enzymes, and the most important one is tyrosinase. This is organic copper that activates your adrenal glands. If we were going to rate vitamin C by just one factor, this would be the smart choice because the products with the most tyrosinase produce the best results in real people. And yes, the complex also contains ascorbic acid, but it's naturally about 0.01% by weight, which is the same ratio you'd find in any vitamin C rich whole food. So when you see a tiny tablet claiming 500 milligrams of vitamin C, you need to ask yourself, how is that physically possible? To fit 500 milligrams of naturally occurring vitamin C into a tablet, it'd have to be the size of a ping pong ball. What you're actually getting is synthetic ascorbic acid derived from petroleum, mixed with maybe 25 grams of food base like rose hips. Companies can legally call this natural because ascorbic acid technically contains carbon, making it chemically organic. But your body knows it's not food. It's a drug. Here's what our ancestors understood that we've forgotten. They fermented cabbage in crocks during the fall, so they'd have sauerkraut throughout the winter. During the 1700s, Captain James Cook gave his sailors sauerkraut on long voyages and prevented scurvy, while other fleets were losing crew members. Sauerkraut contains one of the most bioavailable forms of C available. When good bacteria naturally ferment cabbage, they create lactic acid, which preserves the food and makes the nutrients more absorbable. But watch out for fake fermented foods. If lactic acid is added to the ingredient list, the companies skip the fermentation process. Real fermented foods only list cabbage, salt, spices. The lactic acid forms naturally. No probiotics means no real fermentation and less bioavailable vitamin C. One more critical point: when you're sick, drinking orange juice might actually make things worse. Most people who are sick are too alkaline. Orange juice has citric acid, right? But your body metabolizes it very quickly, leaving an alkaline ash that makes you even more alkaline. Real vitamin C helps acidify your system the right way, supporting your immune function. Also, be careful of products that combine sodium benzoate and ascorbic acid. This combination creates benzene, a known carcinogen. Your body deserves better than synthetic chemicals marketed as health products. Real vitamin C from whole food sources gives you everything your body needs to build strong blood vessels, fight infections, heal injuries, and maintain energy. That's the difference between managing symptoms and actually healing from the inside out.